You want the great protection offered by a home security camera system. But what is the best camera system to buy? Best for the money, best for the quality, and best for making you feel safe in capturing video that can help authorities identify intruders. Today I want to show you the Uniden Cloud Security System, which replaces the old-style DVR and addresses all your needs. You can even install it yourself without a professional company. It eliminates the DVR while providing 24/7 recording that's conveniently and securely stored in the cloud. With features such as motion and continuous recording, unlimited live viewing, local backup storage, multi-user accounts, and camera grouping, you can connect all your cameras from multiple locations to one account in a single app. Plus, get notifications and view footage from your phone when motion is detected. We also offer a range of both wired and wireless cameras to round out your indoor and outdoor security needs. Wired cameras offer a lot of benefits that others don't. They provide better clarity and they're always powered. No need to recharge or swap out batteries, and you don't have to worry about having the perfect Wi-Fi connection. Wired cameras have up to 100 feet of night vision as opposed to Wi-Fi cameras, which have far less. Overall, they're just more reliable. Our system gives you the perfect combination of easy setup, awesome picture quality, and secure storage. When you consider all your options to make your home more secure, the Uniden Cloud Camera is the answer you can trust.